Hey guys, welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make this hair conditioner. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Guys, let's get started with this hair conditioner. Guys, to start with the hair conditioner, I'm starting with the water phase. And in my bowl, I have my water measured at 145 grams of my water. And the next ingredient I have is aloe vera juice, 50 grams. Below this video, I'll drop the link on how to make your aloe vera juice. And I have my next ingredient, 12 grams of centrimonium chloride, 7 grams of glycerin, and 2 grams of my guar gum. Then combine everything together. And in a smaller bowl, mix the glycerin and the guar gum together so it can dissolve easily. And after dissolving it, I add it to the water phase and stir to mix it, combine it together. Phase is the oil phase. In my bowl, I have my coconut oil cold press, 15 grams of coconut oil, 10 grams of my emulsifying wax, and 5 grams of cetyl alcohol. In the hot water bath, I set the two so that the oil phase would dissolve. After which, I pour the water phase to the oil phase and I gently mix to combine the both phase together. So with the quantity I have, I only whisked. I didn't use my hand blender in this tutorial. So in the cool down phase, then I add my preservative. I'm using 2.5 grams of preservative. Guys, you can use any preservative of your choice. And also 5 drops of my tea tree oil. And after adding my tea tree oil, my essential oil, then I mix to combine everything together, the ingredients together. So guys, this is the end result. And how I use this hair conditioner, after washing my hair with a shampoo, I apply this on my hair and allow it to sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Then I wash it off. Guys, this conditioner helps to detangle your hair. It helps makes your hair soft. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not done so. Share my videos and like them. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. And remember, I post my videos, I always post 2 times a week, preferably Saturdays and Thursdays. See you next time. Bye.